Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the TP-Link AC1350 high-power wireless dual-band router. This particular model is Archer C58HP. It comes with high-power, great coverage and faster streaming services. Okay, and what else do we have? This gives you two different kinds of speed, 450 Mbps and 867 Mbps, basically your 2.4 GHz bandwidth and your 5 GHz bandwidth, two different speeds for two different bandwidths. It also comes with 9 dBi antennas and maximum range. From the picture you can see it has 3 antennas over here. We will obviously take a closer look. And this particular variant is black. We'll find out soon enough. Okay, over here some installation guides are given, like easy setup and use. You have to download an app, the TP-Link Tether app, to basically connect this particular router. And much greater information is on this side. It says superior coverage and array of high-powered features provides wireless coverage of areas up to 10,000 square feet. And wall-breaking Wi-Fi, the supercharged wireless signal cuts through walls and other physical barriers, eliminating dead zones for a worry-free Wi-Fi network. It also says high-gain sustainability, as I mentioned, 3 9 dBi antennas, amplified signal strength, tap into multi-mode, quality of service, and basically you can tap into a lot of devices. Upgrade with AC1350 dual-band Wi-Fi. Basically, this particular router supports both 2.4 GHz speeds and 5 GHz speeds. Now I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. These are the components of this particular box. Let's quickly take a look what they are. This is a quick installation guide from TP-Link. Everything that you need to know on how to connect this particular router, how to use it, what are the different features. You'll find everything in this particular document, a lot of neat diagrams that you can follow to set this up. It's pretty easy, in fact. And this is a general public license notice from TP-Link. The important documents, you should not lose them. This is a LAN cable that comes with this particular box. There you go, a LAN cable with two LAN jacks over here. This is the charging cable for this particular device. There you go, this is what it looks like, the power supply. The model is T120150-2C1. Input is 100 volts to 240 volts. These seem to be some wall mounts for when you want to mount this particular router on a wall. I'm going to keep this on one side. And these are the 9 dBi antennas that comes with this particular router. These are the 3 antennas. Let me show you the router first. This is what the router looks like. It's a pretty large router. It has this matte black finish to it. Not just that, there are a lot of indicators, LED indicators right up front. There is a WPS, LAN, WAN, power indicator. There's an indicator for the 2.4 GHz connection and also for 5 GHz connection as well. On the back side, we have a lot of ports. This is a power on-off button. There's a power port. This is for resetting your Wi-Fi. There's a separate Wi-Fi. Okay, this is for turning on Wi-Fi. This is for resetting the entire system. And then there are 4 LAN ports and 1 WAN port over here. And this is your WPS button over here as well. The antennas go in over here. I will actually attach them and show them to you. This is how it's done. It's pretty simple. Just all you have to do is screw them in like so. So now your antennas are set. All you have to do is set this particular router up and you're basically good to go. And this is what you find inside the box containing the TP-Link TC1350 dual-band wireless router. Thank you for watching.